There are 4 types of progressions. One, we can say that arithmetic progression. Short form is AP. And geometric progression. Short form GP. Harmonic progression. Short form is HP. And fourth one, arithmetico-geometric progression. Arithmetico-geometric progression. And in short form, we write this as AGP, arithmetico-geometric series. So these are the 4 types of progressions. 4 types of progressions that we come across are arithmetic progression, denoted by short form it is denoted by AP, geometric progression, in short form it is denoted by GP, harmonic progression, in short form it is denoted by HP, arithmetico-geometric progression, in short form it is denoted by AGP.